Dutch tax rates 2024. Welcome everyone, I am Fausto Carnevale. I'm an international tax consultant. We are based in Brussels, and in today's video I will talk about the Dutch tax rates in 2024. In this video I will talk about the tax brackets for individuals. I will focus more on this subject. But stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, because next time I will talk also about the corporate tax. So we have to consider as a first point that the Dutch tax rates are updated every year. And we have to talk now for the 2024 tax rates, because you are interested in how many taxes you will pay next year when you will do the tax return. You may have seen other videos here of ESENtaxa, and you may have seen already that, for instance, in Italy they also changed the tax brackets in 2023. Also in Belgium they changed the tax brackets, but in Dutch, in the Netherlands, we have a different situation, a different case. Let's talk about, just for your information, also about the VAT, because this is my interest. You can be interested, just as a quick information, the standard, the VAT rate is 21%, like in Belgium. So the income from employment. In the Netherlands, we have a kind of a strange structure, because it is a system more open to big earners, or let's say where the high salaries are welcome. And this is totally we can see the difference from Italy, because we have only two tax brackets. Up to 75k euro, we have a 36.97% of tax. Just in 2023 was 36.93%. Now, if we consider this is an advantage for you to work as employee, because, like, for instance, in Italy, this is considered already a huge salary, 75,000 euro. In the Netherlands, actually, you pay an income rate of 36.97%. Up to above 75,500 euro, you pay 50%, 49.50. They did also like you know, the price $9.99, no? So you pay 49.50, let's say 50%. We have to say that in the world in general, the income tax rates for private people, it is not an advantage. Of course, if you are obliged to work as employee, you have to follow the rules of your tax break. So to summarize, you have two tax breaks. Up to 75,500, 36.97%. Above that amount, above 75,500, you have 50%. 49.50 to be precise. Sorry. Different thing is if you are a pensioner, because a rate of 19.07% applies to state pension recipients for amounts up to 38,000 euro. And if you were born before 1946, you also have this amount of 19.07%, but your revenue can be extended to 40,000 euro. Now, if you can see, we can do a comparison here with Belgium and Italy. We have a situation where, of course, you pay less taxes. So you have like a very, very good tax brackets for individuals. I concluded this video with one thing, because we as international tax consultants, we are now doing videos about Europe in particular, no? But if you have what happens if you have a company? So now I'm not talking about the corporate taxes in this video, but just to mention one important thing: the dividend tax. The general tax of dividend is 15%. 15% is a very good tax. I will maybe again, this is a more video I did for the income tax for individuals, but just to summarize, you know, the dividend, as I mentioned at the beginning, the VAT rates, so the dividend rate, those are very important information for you to consider before moving to the Netherlands. I hope you like this video. I invite you to subscribe to the channel because we, again, as international tax consultants, we are focused on talking about all the jurisdiction and to advise you the best strategy to move to another country paying less tax. So until next time, Fausto Carnevale, ESENtaxa.